morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Fast Lane Pros. And today we're going to do another mod on it. Lately we've been putting all of our time into this car, and for this season this is going to be the last mod. We're probably just going to put her away for the winter. Next spring we're probably going to start working on the Camaro. So let's go. We're going to load up the new mod, which is a set of Kooks headers. We're going to go to the tuner. We're going to get them put on and retuned and have another fun-filled day. So let's ride, guys.
Where's the trunk?
Pop trunk is in the glove box, like the old school.
Like the old school. Right on the side.
This thing is out of gas. We got to get some push fuel for this thing, guys.
You've arrived.
Alright guys, we have made it to the spot. The tuner, the man
with the plant.
Luis Perez.
Let's go get these headers put on this thing.
I don't even think he's here yet, but let's go take a look.
Flat planes. Hay ball flanges. Sweet. These are your gaskets.
Lewis said those are trash.
See it? Made sure they're on the frame?
He's gonna check.
I'm sure they'll want to step on it even more after this.
Well,
You're gonna be able to put this in the car.
let's go look at his truck over here. sure to comment down below what y'all think. I'm still gonna keep the Camaro, but later on, yes, I want to get this. And this is like goals here. This is what I want. And then I've also been looking at the G8, but I'm gonna keep my Camaro, get it going. And this is a car called Anonymous. Y'all seen it in past videos. Thing's pro charged with some nitrous. That thing is nasty. But let's go head back to the shop and see what they got going on. And then hopefully Joseph starts rolling up.
Alright guys, we're out here at the 747 garage. Mike is getting his headers done on the G8. And we're just watching the process go down.
Putting some NGKs in here, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Food vlog. All right, guys, food was great. If you want a good burger, come here to Burger Barn. But we're gonna take it back and see how far these boys have come along on the long tubes. Stay tuned.
So we're gonna go hit some test runs with this car with the gears because he had to turn it down with the transmission a bit. I think that's a little better. A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, he toned it down. These headers are loud. Up. You're doing 40 miles an hour.
That's pretty quick.
Look at this.
It's cammed right here.
Oh, there they are.
Come on, you bloody wanker.
I actually want to hear it. Look at that Trans Am. Woo, that thing's sweet. Joseph for coming out there and riding out there with us. And if you were there at 747 Garage today, thank you all for being there. It was so fun. And we got all the parts in that we needed. And that's what I've got to say on shout outs. But
go follow Luis Perez at 747 Garage. He's on Instagram and Facebook. Go and follow Joseph at
Stockish
G8. I think it's Stockish underscore G8.
yeah, underscore. Here, I'll pull all of theirs up.
But this car has went through a major transformation. Crazy, insane gains.
But we decided we're going to tell you all the next mod. And this is going to be the mod that's going to last for a while. It's a big mod for this car. But that's going to be it for a while, is
E85.
we're going to go corn on this sucker, and it's going to add, we'll be putting bus links. He even said it, they were like, yeah, you're going to be gapping him and stuff. It was so cool. But here's his Instagram. Make sure, please go give him a follow. He helped us out and stuff. There he is, Stockish G8. But shout out to them guys. They're such great people with the support on the YouTube channel. And
yeah, you guys, thanks so much for all the support. Thanks for all the follows. We love you guys. Shout out to Anna Perez, Lewis's wife. Shout out to Lewis.
And here's their Instagram. Here's Speedmaster. But yeah, go destroy that follow button and that subscribe button if you have it. Go down below and y'all like, comment, share, and we'll catch you guys on the next video
episode
of FLP.
Peace.
Peace.